Python, start interactive debugger when exception would be otherwise thrown. Is there any way to make a Python program start an interactive debugger? Like what? Import pdb set_trace, instead of actually throwing an exception. I know the difficulty of making this work, but it would be much more valuable than a huge stack trace after which I have to use to figure out where to insert breakpoints, and then restart the program to debug it. I know that simply making the debugger start instead of throwing an exception would not make sense because any exception can be caught at a level or another, so if I could just select a list of exceptions for which an interactive debug session would start instead of them being thrown, because I know the exceptions in this list would really be errors and no meaningful program behavior could follow afterwards. I've heard that common Lisp has something like this, but I don't know how it works exactly, just that true Lispers praise it a lot.
The simplest way is to wrap your entire code inside a try block like this. There's a more complicated solution which uses sys.acceptHook to override the handling of uncaught exceptions, as described in this recipe. The above code should be included in a file called sitecustomize.py inside site packages directory, which is automatically imported by Python. The debugger is only started when Python is run in non-interactive mode.
This question is quite old, so this is mainly for future me.
I wrote a package to start PDB on exception. It takes it boisk answer and modifies the interpreter state at runtime so no code changes are necessary. Installation. Usage. When the exception occurs, the PDB REPL should start in the given terminal.
If you are inside the REPL, you can do see this URL and this URL.
Das ist